My granny used to say. Otherwise, in English, my grandma used to say, "Coward man keeps sound born." It is better to act or, have people label you as being coward than to act impulsive or irrational and then lose your integrity or even your life. Chicken Mary out the air. This is a warning. A warning that when celebrating and experiencing happy times, always exercise caution because disaster could strike at any time. Wanty wanty, can't getty, and getty no wanty. There are people out there who desperately want something and can't get it, while there are others who have and receive things easily and don't appreciate what they have or don't want. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.